Hi Aries, this is your girl, the Pixie Goddess at the Pixie Goddess Tarot. And this reading is going to be for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs in love. This reading is for both couples as well as singles. It's not a gender specific or a time specific reading. So take what resonates with you guys and leave what doesn't because energies are fluid and the messages can be interpreted however you want. If you like this reading, guys, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. It really means the world to me. And do comment, like, let me know if these readings are helping you and if you want me to improve on something or pay attention to certain details that you would like me to um, emphasize on. You've got the Nine of Wands, the Hanged Man, the Chariot, the Magician, the Knight of Swords, the Lovers reversed, and the card at the bottom of the deck is Justice reversed. Okay then, Aries, right now as far as love is concerned, you are dealing with a lot of turmoil. Those who are coupled are facing difficulties in their relationship, and it could be marriage as well. But here the point is that you guys are feeling as if you need to work a little extra or put in a little more effort than your partner puts into this relationship. And it's like all the burdens have fallen onto your shoulders, while this should be a 50-50 partnership, right? You feel stagnated and stuck. Um, Aries, what I also feel is that if you change your perspective, probably your partner wants to um, change certain aspects about your relationship, or certain things need to be amended for this relationship to feel more comfortable for the both of you. And probably you are being a little closed off and you don't want to change. For those who are single, guys, you guys are planning on moving, right? Some of you could be planning to move on to a new place of work or study, or relocating to a new residential area, and you're manifesting something that is going to push you towards your dreams. I don't see love coming your way as fast as you would like it to come your way, but it is coming. And around the 11th month, which is November, post that, you'll feel that, okay, now that my goals are taken care of or my work is taken care of, I can pay attention to love. And for the couples, I feel you need to take a little break, probably go on a trip or solo trip. Like, don't go together because I think, sometimes stagnation enters a relationship and people start getting onto each other's nerves, and there's a slight break that is needed. So, Aries, that is what's needed for you, a travel or just staying away from each other for some time, a week or so, and see how you both can build a stronger relationship. You've got the Two of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands, the Temperance card, the Judgment, the Wheel of Fortune, the Page of Swords, and the card at the bottom of the deck is the Two of Wands. Uh, for the singles, I see that you are trying to balance everything out in your life. You want to pay attention to your studies, to your goals, to your career, and love as well. You want love to come your way. When you can peacefully give into it, um, which is good, because I see a passionate beginning happening for you, something that is going to bring in a lot of balance into your life. Closures are on the horizon. Be careful of how you talk to people because your words can be misinterpreted. But all in all, single Aries, I feel that you guys are moving on towards new beginnings, and whatever weight that you were going through is going to finally pick up pace. For couples, I feel that because you guys are juggling so many things together, your emotions, practical issues that are happening in your life, then relationship, um, I feel that taking some time off can help you guys. And in the near future, I see a peaceful resolution coming your way. You don't need to be hasty, you don't need to take a decision now. Giving yourselves time apart from each other will help you figure out the loopholes in your relationship. I see a peaceful resolution, guys. You've got the Strength card, the Four of Cups, the Hierophant, the Page of Swords again, the Seven of Wands, okay, the Eight of Pentacles, and the card at the bottom of the deck is the Eight of Cups. Moving on from things that are not working out for you, single Aries, moving on to new places, burning bridges to old memories is going to help you grow spiritually, mentally, emotionally, because right now you're battling a lot of emotions within yourself. And some of you have actually gone against the norms set by your family or the society that you live in. According to according to them, you can't do certain things, and you've become a rebel, and you've taken up certain steps when it comes to education, or you know what, making up your mind of relocating to a new place. So all those are teething issues, Aries. Be careful of how you talk, be careful of what you say, the words you use. If you're getting too angry at people, hold your tongue, because in the near future you may find that you are regretting these things. And trust me, Aries, you don't want that. Regret is the worst emotion ever. I also feel that you are looking towards things that did not work out instead of taking up opportunities that have a 50% chance of working out, but at least they are better than what's gone. I see that you are feeling empowered, and if not now, you will be feeling empowered because of your decisions. Coupled Aries, you will be working on your mental and emotional stability, spiritual growth, and that will then percolate into your relationship and your work and your overall life. So, healing yourself right now is more important for you in order to feel empowered and in order to give your partner the love, the kindness that they deserve. And it goes both ways, Aries. Let's see some extra messages. These are Lenormand messages. I will then be drawing some oracle messages. These are additional cards, guys. So, they're not directly related to the tarot. So you can take them however they resonate with you. You've got the Sun card. A Leo person could be entering your life. These could be your energies as well. Alphabet A, number 31, 4, or standalone number 3 or 1 are important. I see that good things are coming your way, rejuvenation, relaxation, rebirth of your creativity is on the horizon. Whatever felt stagnated is picking up pace and moving. You've got the Romance card, new love, and the rejuvenation of a current relationship are on the horizon. Believe in yourself. See yourself doing well, and you will, Aries. Things start working out when you start believing in them, no matter how impossible they may seem. Aspiration number one is important. Aspire to be successful, guys, and you will see yourself working towards it because you are unlimited. So aim for the stars, guys. You've got the messenger card, bringing harmony and balance into your life, paying attention to the little things that make you happy, uh, indulging in your hobbies, meditating, spending time in nature. These are all going to balance everything out. If you are too caught up in work, try and take a break. If you're too surrounded by people, go for a isolating trip. Deep replenishment, yeah, I mentioned rejuvenation, rebirth, um, retreat, rest, and be held by the divine. And that'll happen in silence when you are in solitude, guys. So just take time for yourself. People can wait. The world can wait. You can't serve from an empty bowl, Aries. Luck is on your side. You are good enough. Expect powerful change. Adjustments are required. A win win outcome is forecast. You got the Justice card, which is the Libra card, in reverse in the beginning of your reading, and now you've got it upright. Your dreams need a practical plan. Signs that are present here are Virgo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Libra. Let's see an affirmation card for you guys. Feeling good will bring me far more than whatever I thought I needed. When you are grateful for the things that you have, the things that you want find their way into your life, Aries. This was all for you. Thank you so much for giving me a chance to serve you. I hope you visit this channel again and like, share, subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.